karaoke on the boat when you're drinking. Oh, he's bad. Yeah, they're like, we gotta get this guy off the boat fast. Dancing queen. Look at this. This is very, very old. Look at this wall. How cool. Oh, this is really, really cool. The little back alleys of Hoi An. There you can see is the main drag. Oh, this is awesome. Very, very cool. We wish you a good trip. It seems like every time I go to read something somewhere, somebody walks up and like gets right into the middle of it. And you just have to ignore them, but it's so funny because it's like now they're gone. It is super hot in Vietnam, so you do have to take a break in the shade wherever you can get it. And this is a quite nice place to do it. Minus the motorbikes. But look at all these neat little back alleys you can duck into. Get out of the heat. There's Morning Glory Lounge and Restaurant. Yeah, look at that. Look at that building. It looks like it's ready to fall apart, but I guess they fixed it up. Incredible. I love just sitting around in an old town and just taking it in, you know what I mean? Just taking it in. these little temples is in Hoi An. You have to buy a ticket. That's $37 in order to enter up to 5 different of these temples. And you can technically just get a picture from the outside. This is the old Japanese bridge. They had to shut it down to do some remodeling. You're not allowed in here. It's all blocked off. Booth, as you can see, nobody was there. I mean, it's nice, but is it really worth paying for? I mean, you can just, if there's nobody standing guard, you can just walk right in. I know it sounds bad, but I've heard from other tourists they've done the same thing. This part's pretty cool. But this is all there is to it. Definitely need a restoration. A much tamer sight during the day of the heat of the day. At night, as you can see earlier, this place is crazy. He wants to fight me. Not exactly super clean up here. Water looks like low tide. Check it out, man. I got my own stool. I found a place out of the sun, and I got a killer view of the main town from across the river. As you can see, yeah, that's the old town. I don't really think this is part of it. This is sort of added on. But if you go that direction, past that bridge, you head to the ocean. Looking pretty dang good right about now. Luna Center for the Performing Arts. The whole building's made out of bamboo. They have a circus that performs here just about every night. And it's based on this island over here. I may go see this with somebody I met on a Facebook group, a buddy of mine from Australia. So if we do the show, you'll probably see it in an upcoming video. Anyway, right now we're just walking around it. Look, Uncle Day's Riverboat Bar. Oh, man, it's muddy through here now. You gotta watch out. You'll slip your butt off. So there's a bar down here, huh? Look, and it's right on the end where the river meets the ocean, I think, or it just circles around. Pretty cool. It's all jungly. It's like there's nobody out here. All the tourists are over there across the street. Now I found the secret spot where you can get away from all the tourists. And as much as I like touring like other tourists, but I also like to get away from them as well. Oh yeah, look at this. This guy's got the right ideas, chilling out on a hammock overlooking the water. Whoa. Is this a girl? I don't know. I'd like to jack that hammock from her. Nah, not that vicious. Cool. Well, this This is pretty swanky. Look at all these people up in here. I wonder if those are hotels or those are condos. Sort of reminds me of Florida. A little bit. Of course, our water's a little bit greener than this. We don't have mountains though like that. Wow, what a view. With a view. Dang, look at these old boats and everything. This is pretty cool, man. There's no tourists out here at all. Wow. That's one of the main streets. Let's keep going this way unless dogs are around. Cool. We are on the tip of this little island. What a view. I'm behind somebody's stuff. So it's a big shindig down there, and there's no way out. And I really don't want to get involved with a bunch of drunk Vietnamese men. Cutting back through this out. Chicken run! Run, Forrest, run! Run, Forrest, run! Go, 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 go! Run, Forrest, run! Did you see the acrobatics of that? Dumplings, which are really good. I went for the fried wontons and the lemon juice. Giving me wind